Hi, it's me, Meline. I wanted to show you what I did with the leftover butternut squash. I looked up various recipes on steamed cakes and Chinese pumpkin desserts to come up with this. Because baking is easier, I tried baking in little cupcakes, and they came out really dry and coarse. Although they tasted amazing, they still needed an improvement before recording, so I thought about steaming them instead. I didn't have any ceramic cups to steam the batch in, so I opted for the tamales technique, which would just require me to soak up some corn husks before mixing the batch. Soaking the corn husks made them more malleable to gift wrap these delightful mildly sweet treats. The butternut squash and rice flavor bloom so beautifully well together in each bite. The corn husk also gives it a light corn flavor. They're moist, soft, and moderately fluffy. I'm so happy how these came out. They are a simple, sweet, and healthy snack. My family loves them, so I know I'll be going back to this recipe all year round.